If your vehicle is equipped with adaptive cruise control, you can maintain your desired cruising speed while allowing the vehicle to automatically adjust to traffic ahead. Here's how it works. While driving, accelerate to your desired speed and press the Cruise Set button. When adaptive cruise control is active, the system monitors the vehicle in front of you and automatically adjusts your speed, up or down, to maintain a safe following distance. This feature can help reduce driver fatigue and make highway driving more comfortable and convenient. Your vehicle can brake automatically, but only within certain limits. You still must remain alert and ready to brake manually at all times. To control the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, use the zone selector. Or you can turn off the adaptive mode by pressing the mode button. The lane assist button helps keep your vehicle in its lane by giving you warnings if you start to drift, and in some cases, it can even provide a slight steering correction to help guide you back to the center. We're always adding more helpful and interesting videos to your channel, so remember to like and subscribe so you can stay ahead and get the most out of your vehicle.